Hi, I know I've been slacking on videos lately, but I figured I'd do a quick little video on this. This is 1x1. It's walnut. I've cut it, flattened it. I'm sure if you're a woodworker you know how to do that. Anyway, if you don't, go to one of my other videos because I have done it on film more than once in the past. So this is going to be the second one that I've been requested to make. And we've gone into, let me get you up here. Okay. Let me get you a little closer. Get this keyboard out of the way. Okay, we've gone up to the software. And this is pretty much what we're going to be doing. And I will include a clip of the first one being cut, if I can find it. And if I can't, I will include a clip of this one being cut. The story was it was a wedding present, and one of my wife's clients asked me to do it, and I pretty much get carte blanche on what I want done beyond the instructions that she gave me, which when this stops I'll show you. Okay, so there's the finished render. Okay, these are the instructions. Walnut, dab and bend, which is grammatically incorrect, should be male first, with a hook on the back and a crudely drawn heart. So that's what I had to work with. I designed it in here. I think it came up pretty good. It took a little bit of sanding, a little bit of finish work, but it was not bad. And another one of her clients saw it sitting up there waiting to be picked up by the first client, and she says, I want one too. On the finishing pass now. Hopefully I set the height right. See you in a minute. Not bad. Got a coat of that on there. Smells like crap, but it seals the wood. We're getting there. We're getting there. I'm going to do a couple of coats. It shows off the curves, doesn't it? Do a couple of coats of this. And I think, if it'll still come out of the can, I'm going to do this next. And then we will be done. Okay, so the next day I put on a couple of coats. Starting to look pretty good.